Hey, we're back. So we just recently found out we didn't have to do that part, but we did it because we got the parts.
But we got the parts for doing the part. So
Yeah.
at the end of the day, we actually net gained because for one part we got multiple parts.
Yeah. Yeah?
Sure. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
We have to go all the way back. I know. It's game designers, though, you know?
Game design.
They just still haven't gotten it together.
They're working really hard, okay?
Oh, what was the why? Oh, brick?
There's a brick. I already got a brick.
Oh, once we go through this door, you're going to drop your brick, so.
I'm going to shit bricks. Out my asshole.
Holy
Baby.
Oh. No, we don't have to. Do we?
Wait. I can go in.
Well,
I can go in.
That's just on the other side of the box.
I did it.
Hold on. Yeah, I fucked up.
What did you do?
I fucked up.
What did you do?
I fucked up.
Just tell me what you did. We can make it through together, you and I. There's a door here. You just want to go here?
Hold on. Wait. Don't open the door, because you know what happens when you open doors and there's someone there with no gun.
Right. What are you doing?
I'm here.
What were you doing?
I fucked up. I fucked up.
I was up all night waiting for you. Barry, dinner's cold.
Oh, I'm sorry, Natasha. That's my fault. Turn on light off. Point?
What do you think I'm doing? Bud, what do you think I'm doing?
It just goes without saying, Oktar, so why do you keep saying it? Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay, well, just through the door then.
Nothing's through the door.
Mm-hmm.
Someone with a...
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
And I got no privacy. Alright. Damage level 2.
That's better than damage level 1.
Yo. And then we give damage level 1. I have 0 ammo now for this. Here we go.
Cool.
Brick.
This is where I met Moira.
Good. Let's pick up the pace.
Good.
1, 2,
Buckle my shoe.
3 doors. Holy shit. Dude, so I wonder if you didn't crowbar this door, would it still be crowbarred? Like, as we were passing as Natasha and Barry.
Did I have to crowbar this door?
Yes, you did.
Well, then there would have been no way that it wouldn't have.
What I'm saying
Box.
is if you didn't crowbar it as Moira before we got here, would it still be barred?
Yeah, but if I had to crowbar it, then
You didn't have to. It's an optional door, as you can see.
Oh. That's why I asked if I had to, and you said yes.
Oh. Well, I thought you meant like, oh, was it something that I had to crowbar to open? My fault.
Oh.
More. We gotta go
What's
back.
back?
We gotta go back. You know how you are with bricks? That's how I am Bart's.
I get it. It's I am parts. Bricks and parts.
Capacity level up. Look at that.
I actually do kind of like the weapon system in this game, just like finding upgrades you can attach to stuff.
Yeah. Instead of like it applying into like skills or shit.
Yeah. Well, and it's just nice too that like if you find a better upgrade for one weapon, you can trade off and put it to a different one.
Mm-hmm. I don't like it when games do like a one and done with those.
Yeah.
Ooh, there you go. Open from the other side.
Hey,
Opportunity brick.
Yeah, I already got a brick, but all right.
All right.
Boop boop boop. Blood.
Who's there?
Dog.
Keep it down.
You keep it down.
Okay. I think this is progress.
Yeah, probably. Was it
So-
were there other doors we didn't
Yeah.
check?
There's this whole other side over here.
Oh my. Oh, it's just okay.
But this was the elevator.
Still need drill man.
I think this is progress because we have to press B.
Well, that makes sense because the elevator was progress before, right?
Mhm. Yeah. Or wait a minute, the elevator's broken.
Oh, so that probably wouldn't work.
Yeah, maybe that's what's happening. I want to check though.
Okay.
I
Well,
get-
might as well be thorough.
yeah,
Gotta be sure there's something up there.
yeah, that's the Invisalign.
Invisalign.
It's dead.
Yeah.
I'll have to find another way.
The elevator is dead. R.I.P. Would you like to say a few words?
That elevator was the best elevator that an elevator
You know,
could be.
It really had its ups and downs, but
okay, I'm done for the rest of the day. Oh,
Barry, there's
Barry?
something over there. Barry, there's
What?
something over there.
down to the right in that room, I guess. What's in here? Nothing. Oh, wait. Aha!
oh my God, that sound fucking scared me.
Good, I'm glad.
Wait, no, wait,
Chair!
this way.
But I'm fucking. It's.
All right.
I'm trying to explore it.
No, you're right. You're absolutely right. Oh,
Your father hasn't come home at all since going to the monument. I tried to wait, but I can't do it any longer. I've gone off to look for him. I was feeling pretty anxious, but everyone there was so nice to me. They told me something nasty was going around, so they gave me a preventative shot. But I'm anti-vax, so you could see how there was a problem there.
relatable.
And this bracelet that they said would help protect me.
it's like a flea collar.
This place is so large and wondrous. I've never seen anything like it. Of course, this is probably no big deal for her. She saved our island. I'm starting to feel like she can do anything. I regret ever having doubted her. Suppose it's nothing, but I'm feeling a bit dizzy. Maybe I'm just stressed. Oh, and I finally found your father. Well, part of him, anyway. I always knew he had a good head on his shoulders. Now that's all
wow.
that's left of him. Ooh, I can't possibly bring him back like this. Why would you be cheeky about that?
Yeah.
This bracelet has been
Does
making...
she hate him?
I don't know. This bracelet has been making strange sounds. It's a little annoying, but don't you worry. I'm going to find the rest of your father, and we're coming home. You must be so hungry. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
hunger, itchy, tasty.
So we're talking to a zombie? What the fuck? What the shit?
Are you pointing?
You think what do you think this is? What do you think this is? Barely look at me and ask me about pointing.
I'm sorry, buddy. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I am Lord. Yeah.
Okay. If this door is locked, you are so fucked.
There's something over there.
You're
All
so
right.
fucked.
So I gotta go through the.
Yeah. Open the door and then.
All right. Yeah. Okay. You're ready.
Wait, don't go yet though. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Here we are. Okay. Okay. Can't really tell if it's.
It's coming right at you.
Maybe I just quickly let it pass. Maybe.
Just breaks through the wall like.
Okay, I think it went away. Just gonna. Boom, 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 boom. Doesn't notice me.
Oh my god. This is the dumbest
Hello.
bug ever. All right.
Okay.
It's getting closer. There, shoot! It's getting closer.
Nice.
Huh.
Get fucked. Oh, I hate its butt. Oh, I hate its butt. Oh, gross.
It just looks so.
Smoke powder.
Oh my god, dude. I don't have that much ammo left, dude.
Well, we're just gonna have to stealth more.
Oh, we're good.
Is there something up there?
Oh yeah.
Seen that? Oh, that's the emblem, yeah. There we go.
Okay. Obviously, we had to come in here, though, right?
Yeah.
Do I have to push this? No. Okay. Did we have to come in here?
Maybe we didn't. Weird for it to be locked, though, if we didn't have to. Yeah, whatever. We got an emblem.
Yeah. But now we're confused.
Well, you're confused. Let's not lump me in here. Oh, hey. Handgun ammo.
Mine. No, we're confused, bro. Oh, we gotta just go up. Okay, yeah. Alright, I fucked up.
Seems like you're a little confused, Barry. It's that old age.
That old age.
Okay, it's coming down the stairs.
The monster's coming.
Yeah, that sound is so unsettling.
Getting closer. It's getting closer.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Ain't nothing.
Whew. Alright. Alright, we can't do this floor. Good shit. I like this team, man. You point, I shoot.
Well, you're not forgiven.
Oh my god. That looks like progress. Yeah.
Well. It's our only option now, Barry.
Wait. Well, that's one hell of a part.
Shut up.
Helicopters don't belong
You
in
can't,
buildings.
as a single person, you can't do that. Come on.
That's Barry you're talking to. Okay. Barry's as strong as 10 men.
No way, dude.
Yeah, way, dude.
No way, dude.
It's easy for him.
No
Oh my
way,
god,
dude.
you're like Mr. X.
Oh.
Are you the new tyrant?
Barry.
Fucking...
Yeah, can you pick that up, please?
Yeah.
You pointed at...
I didn't know if you saw it or not. It's like, oh, dude, it's like right, the bottle right there. Is Barry the bee virus?
The bee virus?
The bee virus, yeah.
What do you mean? The bee virus?
You know, it's like the T virus and all the other viruses, but Barry's the bee virus.
Because his name starts with a B?
His name starts with a B, and he's awesome. There's only one of them. It's just Barry. He's Umbrella Corporation's magnum opus. The perfect bean.
Yeah, well, when you can push a helicopter like that just out of a building, you know.
Whoa!
Oh.
It's the man with the drill.
We should run. We should, you know, run.
Yeah. He's got a bubble on his hip.
Yeah, I see it. Kind of now. Okay.
Cool.
Okay, what else? What else? What else? What else?
Oh. There. Whoa! 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 Buddy.
The monster's coming. The monster.
Okay.
Nice, nice.
What next, man?
Oh,
In his back?
looks like arm. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh, he's stuck.
Okay.
The monster's coming.
Okay.
Back. Is it back? Yeah. It's
Yeah.
Back.
What is he doing?
The monster's coming. The monster.
Nice.
Okay.
The monster's coming. The monster.
Yep.
Yep.
The monster's coming.
Oh. Other arm.
The monster.
Stop being an asshole.
The monster's coming.
It's all he knows how to be.
Stuck again.
Okay.
The monster. The monster's coming.
Jesus Christ.
Wow. Not a single shot, really?
The monster. The monster's coming.
Holy shit.
The monster. The monster's coming.
You fucking dick. You don't drill a little girl. Didn't anyone ever tell you that?
The monster.
Come on. What the fuck?
The monster's coming. The monster.
Sir, what is he doing?
He's in like... There we go.
The monster.
Wow. The inaccurate machine gun got it.
The monster's coming.
Oh, got another one. Buzz off, bust it.
The monster.
Nice. Balls.
I think he said balls.
He said balls. The subtitle said balls.
Oh, taking this drill.
Oh, oh, we got the drill now.
Whole lot more options.
Oh, shut up, Barry. Jesus Christ.
What do you mean by there's a whole lot more options?
He's gonna drill holes. It was a pun.
Barry, what? There was
Loop around.
There was a place where we could use the drill, like way back down.
Yeah. Oh, that was by the elevator.
Okay.
Is that gonna unveil a secret staircase that we can just go down?
The secret.
Very sneaky.
Yeah, this is it right here. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Cause you nice, we
Because you are breaking through a wall.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I get to just
What?
keep it.
Why would? Who built this?
Very smart architect.
That was the fucking front door.
Oh, this was the door that we weren't able to go through as Moira and Claire.
Ooh. That's a dead man right there. No, that's not Barry game. I know Barry in this, isn't it?
Look at that. Delicious, delicious Magnum bullets.
Sweet, sweet, delicious meat. Aha.
Ah, you found another thing.
thing.
Topas.
Me and Moira got separated here. The nice guy came and got me.
Nice guy.
French fry.
And Kara Save, who rescued me. I wonder if Moira made it to the tower.
You made
I
it.
look so creepy, just like kneeling over there. Don't look, Barry. I must make poopies.
You can't go through there.
No.
It's not letting you.
I mean, there'd be no reason to, because that was the building
Oh, yeah.
they came out of, but
I guess we go through there with the door with the big red door with the star on it.
Yes, sir. It seems to lead to Dracula's castle.
Is there stuff here?
Probably. If I designed video games, I'd put stuff in places, you know?
Yeah, that's yep. Let's make a game where the concept is you just get stuff in places. Banjo-Kazooie.
Pretty much.
Super Mario.
Just
64.
there's a lot of stuff in the place you're in, and you try to get all the stuff.
You just
That's
get
the
it.
game.
What, you don't get it?
It's a pretty simple concept. Get all the stuff. Mother, I found you.
No, we have to leave it. We have to leave it, dude.
You're a bastard, man.
Pretty creepy.
Because Dennis is a bastard man.
Woo. Is that like
Yeah,
a theremin?
I was about to say, is this like UFO music? Like,
Yeah.
All right. Clinical experiment notes. 24 Jan 2010. Trials of the T Phobos virus are almost complete. We've managed to reduce the lethality of the T virus while creating the condition that triggers upon the target being subjected to strong and emotional trauma. That is a run-on sentence. We have also lowered the rate of viral resistance to below 2%. All is proceeding as planned. However, the time draws near. We're close to perfection, but there's zero margin of error.
The time draws near.
Thank you, Snape.
Oh, a box!
We have choices. Upstairs.
The choice is this room,
or
because there's a
secret
lot of
room.
shit in here.
All right. Okay. It's just a box.
You're just a box.
Just a box. Oh, wow.
It counts.
Emerald. More BP.
More bit.
Yeah, this isn't off-putting at all. You know?
Dolly!
Yeah, this Natasha definitely has problems now.
This is a very welcoming environment. I don't know what your deal is.
Oh, wow. Parting words to my dear Faja. You poor decrepit old... Okay, oh, come on, dude.
Oh.
You wanted to create a new world and rule over the world as a god, but for all your ambitions, you couldn't overcome man's most formidable enemies, age and disease. You had everything, but your crumbling body betrayed you. Wow. And then your own son snuffed out whatever pitiful entrails of life you had left. Dude!
Jesus.
Leaving you to become nothing more than a footnote in the annals of history. Holy shit, you failed, old man.
Harsh.
But fear not, your dream will live on. I will take the wealth of knowledge, power, and test subjects you have given me and succeed where you failed, you fuck up. That was added.
Right.
I will create a new world and I will rule over it as God. Your legacy will have been long forgotten, but mine has only just begun. May your soul, if you ever had one, rot in torment for all eternity, and let hell be filled with the sound of your teeth gnashing incessantly in your lamentations.
Why? I'm starting to think that maybe this person didn't have a really good relationship with their dad.
Something. Yeah, guy, definitely problems.
Listen, we can all relate to daddy issues. Especially Claire and Maura. Did you see the outfits they were wearing?
Jigow.
That's pretty cool. That's modern art right there.
Yeah. That's Pablo Picasso.
Pablo Escobar.
I mean, he probably used stuff like that to be like, hey, you're entering my territory. Don't fuck with me.
Yeah, probably.
When did she get the jacket? When did she get the jacket?
I don't know.
Is that a Moira jacket?
Maybe?
Where are we? Shut up!
Would you just shut the fuck up for a second? Fucking Wesker.
Well, of course it's Wesker. She's so
Always
scared.
Wesker. When does this game take place?
I don't know.
Who? The woman here with Wesker?
That is Wesker.
Oh,
What?
Alex Wesker.
oh.
Two Weskers.
You gotta be shitting me.
Sorry, language.
I meant fucking shit. I meant damn it. Fuck. Bitch, I never come. I've got ED.
I was gonna say it's the ED.
Whoa.
Oh, it's Wesker.
Wesker, you let yourself go, buddy. Wait, that's what I do. Dad? I point too.
Oh my god.
God.
Oh wow. Oh, each chapter is half Claire Moira and half Barry and
Yeah.
Natasha.
Yeah.
I thought one chapter
Revelations 2.
in the next chapter, you know?
Wait, that was the end of the chapter? We're not even doing like a boss fight?
No?
This is more.
So is their section gonna start with a boss fight?
No sign of her.
I hope not, because that would be very
mean-
difficult.
That looked like a dude we were supposed to fight, right?
Yeah. It did.
Okay, well, stop spoiling, please.
On the next episode.
Next episode. On the last episode, the next episode. What?